to Max Breakfast YouTube channel. I am your Max teacher Sangeeta. Those who are watching the video first time, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. You can also put comments in the comment box. Don't leave the video in between. In this video, we are going to the third chapter, playing with numbers of class 6. So in this chapter, first we deal with factors and multiples. Factors means, for example, we can take 6. 6 equal to, we can write 2 into 3. 2 into 3 we will get 6. Again we know 6 equal to 1 into 6. Now we can say this thing as factors of 6. That is 1, 2, 3 and 6 are factors of 6. Do you clear? 6 equal to 2 into 3, 6 equal to 1 into 6. Then these numbers, we can call it as factors. For another example, we can take 8. How we can write 1 into 8 is 8. Then 2 into 4 equal to 8. Any other table the 8 is coming? No. So we can say that these numbers 1, 2, 4, 8 are factors of 8. Now multiple. Multiple means simply this multiplication table, what we can see, that is 6 into 1 equal to 6. 6 into 2 we will get 12. 6 into 3 we will get 18. 6 into 4 equal to 24. So these numbers are multiples. These are called multiple of 6. These are called multiple of 6. So what is the factors? Factors means inside this numbers, and multiple means this number. Write the factors of 24. We can write 24. Which table it is coming? 1 into 24, it will come 24. Next 2 into 12, it is 24. Now 3 into 8, it is 24. Then 4 into 6, that is 24. Now the factors will come. Factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. I think you understand what is factors. Now, write first 5 multiples of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20. So these are the multiples. Next is even and odd numbers. Even numbers means multiple of 2. We can say in simple way, the number ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. For example, 28, 56, 1112. All these are even numbers. Last digit is 862. 1000. Last digit is 0. So we can say these are even numbers. Now odd numbers, it is not a multiple of 2, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is coming in the last digit. For example, 11, 13. Prime numbers. Prime numbers means number having only 2 factors. How many factors? 2 factors. For example, we can take 2. How we can write? What are the factors of 2? We can write the table 1 into 2. We will get 2. No other numbers. That is 1 and 2 are factors. Now 3. 1 into 3. No other numbers. So 1 and 3 are the factors. 5. 1 into 5. So only 2 factors are coming. These numbers we can call it as prime numbers. Here the factors are coming 1 and the number itself. That is, prime numbers means, for example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, then 13, 17, etc. Now next is composite number. Composite number means a number having more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors. 2 factors. Here prime number, it is only 2 factors. In composite number, more than 2 factors. For example, 4. 4 we can write it as 1 into 4, 2 into 2. So factors will come 1, 2, 4. That is more than 2. Now we can see 6. 6 we can write it as 1 into 6, 2 into 3. So what are the factors? 1, 2, 3, 6. Here 4 factors are coming. So this type of numbers we can call it as composite numbers. Prime numbers means only 2 factors, that is 2, 3, 5, etc. 1 into 2, 1 into 3, 1 into 5. Composite numbers. More than 2 factors. Here 3 factors, here 4 factors. Now factorizing the number, we can factorize in 3 ways. In small numbers we can factorize in 3 ways. That is, 6 we can write 1 into 6 and 2 into 3. This is one method. Another one we can write as 3 method. 6 we can write it as 3 into 2. 3 method. 3 method you can factorize. Next you can factorize like this. Division method. 6. How many times 2? 2 here 3 times. Then we can write 3 out, 3 here 1 time. So here the factors are coming 2 and 3. Here 3 and 2. Here 2 and 3. Factorizing the number 144. This is big number. We can use division method. So it is multiple of 2. Last digit is multiple of 2. So we can divide. 1 is not divisible. So we can take together 14. 7 times. 7 2s are 14. Then in 4, 2 times. Again it is multiple of 2. We can divide with 2. 2 3s are 6. Balance will come 1. So this number is 12. 12 it is 6 times. 6 2s are 12. Again you can divide. In 3 it is 1. Balance will come 1. So 16 it is 8. Again we can divide by 2. That is 9. Again it is divide 3. Then 3. So we can write 144 is equal to 4 times 2 into 2 times 3. Then factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, then 9, 18, 36, 72, 144. Here 9 is coming, 18, 36, 72. All are coming. So these numbers are the factors of 144. This is the way of finding the factors. So we can conclude this episode here. Thank you for watching. Those who are not subscribe this channel, please subscribe so that you will get the notification of the next video. Bye.